this is Ru from Ether. Superior Prototype Company established in 2006. It is a professional exporter specialized in prototype and low-value production.
Superior covers an area of 15,000 square meters and has 300 employees, which including about 70 technical staff.
This is Leila from Superior Prototype.
Hello, this is Leila. We will provide a one-stop service of molding prototype. We are located in Dongguan and we helping in manufacture prototype in CNC machining, sheet metal, vacuum casting, plate machining, and 3D printing for 15 years.
The company constantly follows the international standards of ISO 9001, ISO 27001. Our company takes the efficient in prototype and low-volume production as the aim of mold manufacturing. We convinced that only with sustainable improvement of production technologies can minimize our mistakes. Our workshop leader will communicate with salesmen and merchandiser about the production progress every day to ensure that the actual process of molds is in sync with our production plan. Besides that, our company applies scientific injection molding analysis technologies, high-speed CNC machining to perfect its process and meets clients' demands for high preciseness and stable quality board products. Excellence originates from superior quality and depends on elite teams. Engineers of Superior Prototype all have rich experience in the field of prototype.
Engineers from Rapid Prototype all have rich experience in the field of prototype. Our professional international design R&D team can cooperate with customers to complete the optimal solutions. Quickly complete the prototype function mechanism. The team of Superior Prototype assure the meeting of parents' demand for project costs. Our company always embraces the mission of quality, service, efficiency, and uphold the philosophy of continuous innovation to serve the society and all customers.
After 15 years of experience in hardware processing, we have successfully accumulated rich manufacturing experience, which has laid a solid technical foundation for us. We will continue to provide the best service for our customers in the future. Looking forward to cooperating with you.